Hey guys, today it's me, and we're doing.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Hey guys, today it's me, and we're doing a part 2 of making slime with Grandma. So let's get our stuff.
Grandma here.
The reason why she has this on is because she just took a shower, and I don't want her to blood dry hair because it takes forever.
Ever.
Oh,
Oh, I got to get this out of here.
yes, you do.
Last session.
Yeah, last session. That's what happened last session. Okay, I'm going to do a challenge. We're doing a challenge with the paint when we get to the paint. So put our tie over here. Over here.
Okay, she's gone to get the glue. The glue is going to be clear Elmer's glue that we got from Walmart for $19.94. Don't get it at Michael's because it's $30.
Yeah, they have too much expensive stuff. For one bottle of glitter glue, it was $20.
Go figure. Without a coupon.
There you.
And this glitter and this glue bottle, we put a little bit of glue in our bowls.
A little bit more, Grandma. Hey. Yeah, that's good. Now here's the cap.
Be sure and tightly put your cap on your glue.
Okay, will you close that for me? I can't reach all the way over there. Okay, guys.
The next step is
Sorry, guys.